Today, I'm very happy to welcome my dear friend Chef Ahmed again, who's going to cook with me. And today we've got a very interesting recipe. It's for a biscuit, a biscotti, in fact, which was made in Egypt as well as in Syria. Chef, can you tell us a bit about the ingredients we're going to use?
We're starting with salt, flour, clarified butter, milk, and with the spices we're using black pepper, cardamom, and cinnamon powder.
Okay, so without further ado, let's get kneading. Pinch of salt and some clarified butter.
Go with all.
Yes, absolutely. We're among friends. Biscuit is actually called baqsamāṭ. And of course, today in the region, we still have something called baqṣam, which is also a biscuit. And the word itself is a borrowing from the Greek pαξιμάδιον, which was also a kind of biscuit. It was mentioned by the great physician Galen, for instance, as a laxative. But don't be afraid, this one doesn't have that property.
But they're using baqsamāt, professor, also for the coating of food as well. They call it baqsamāt.
Oh yes, today indeed so. Yes, indeed.
Yes.
Can I have a little bit of milk, Chef? And now we're going to
The spices.
add the spices. Now we need to let it rest a little bit before we shape them into discs.
All right.
Right, Chef, now we're going to
Shape.
shape them into discs, and the recipe specifies that it should be rather thick. So I'm thinking something along these lines.
Okay. All right.
Here we have our creations.
Yep.
But first, Chef, we need to do something else.
You need to slice.
Exactly. And so we're going to cut them crosswise. And one recipe actually specifies, Chef, that we should cut the biscuits, or the dough rather, but not all the way through.
Okay. So
Yes, exactly. So we're just going to go like so. Our dough is ready. We're going to put it in the oven. At home, we're probably thinking about 350, 375 degrees. Here, of course, our furn is already at that temperature. And we're going to leave it in for about 20 minutes or 25 minutes.
20 minutes.
Depending on how they look.
And we do it in 2 turns.
Indeed, 2 turns. We're going to take them out, let them cool down, and then for another couple of minutes,
Every 10 minutes.
we'll have a peek.
All right.
Okay,
Let's do it.
to the furn we go. Ooh.
Let's see.
Right, so our baqsamāt are resting at the moment. They're cooling down before their second baking. And now that gives us the time to make a little egg, honey, and rosewater wash for when they come out of the oven.
All right.
So, Chef, can you get me started?
So we're gonna go with the egg,
Yep.
rose water,
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
for the sweetness, honey.
Oh, look at that wonderful golden delight. Thank you, Chef.
Okay.
And so this is the kind of consistency we're after. And so when the biscotti come out of the oven, we're going to lightly brush them with this wonderful nectar.
Is that good?
Perfect.
Okay. I think the consistency is perfect.
Now we're going to bake them first.
Okay.
And here I'm going to just spread them out a little bit.
So while it's hot out of the oven, we'll glaze them fast.
Yes, that's right. Okay, here we go. So this is our mixture of egg, honey, and rose water. And I'm just going to lightly brush all the pieces with this wonderful sweet and honeyed egg wash.
And it should be glazed directly after taking it out from the
Yeah,
pans,
yeah.
but still really hot.
What do you reckon, Chef?
Yeah, looks perfect.
So here we have it. Medieval baqsamāt, medieval biscotti.
Biscotti, looks good.
I can't restrain myself any longer.
Let's go.
Let's tuck in here. That's nice like this too.